If your key fob case is cracked or worn out, there's a simple fix that doesn't require buying a whole new remote. This keyless remote case lets you replace just the outer shell, restoring your key fob's look and feel without hassle or high cost. Designed to match the exact dimensions of your original transmitter cover, this replacement case fits snugly, ensuring a tight seal that protects your remote's internal electronics from moisture and debris. That means your key fob stays safe and functional longer. Replacing your worn-out key fob case is straightforward. You simply transfer the battery and motherboard from your old remote into the new case. This approach saves you money and extends the life of your keyless entry device without any complicated steps. To guarantee a perfect fit, you can use the garage tool by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. This ensures you get the right case for your exact remote, avoiding any guesswork or returns. Customers across the United States have praised this product for its ease of use and quality. One user shared how the new case made pressing the buttons smoother and more responsive, while another confirmed it worked perfectly for their 1998 Ford Ranger. What you get is a quick, affordable way to refresh your key fob's appearance and functionality. No more struggling with sticky buttons or cracked plastic. Just a clean, reliable remote ready to use every day. If that's you, someone looking to fix a worn key fob without replacing the entire device, this keyless remote case is worth a look. It's a practical solution that keeps your key fob working smoothly and looking sharp. Try it when you're ready to restore your key fob easily and effectively. This replacement case offers trustworthy protection and a seamless fit, making your keyless entry remote feel like new again.